So that's the defense in the positioning. The bishop in D6 captures the queen in F4.
Each one has a queen in their hand.
And the pawn in B3 is used to capture the bishop in A2. And he rescues the queen as well. So the queen replaces the pawn in A2. Okay, that's in the white's favor. White.
Okay, that's a very huge move because now he has the queen in play. But the queen is even.
Okay, rook which capture uses the rook in A1 to capture the queen. The white uses the rook in A1 to capture the queen. Okay, the next move is queen drop to A3.
And that's mate.
Queen is drop to A3. And that's a mate.
That's a mate.
On the side of white. So underscore yan.
So the winner is actually Dr. Horrible with
Dr. Horrible wins 3 times.
Yeah. With 4 wins versus Bishimon. Bishimon. With what? Oh!
1 win. 1 win yan. 1 win. Yes. Against 3. 4. Okay. So, thank you very much for the past players who
participated in this thing. We will recover your vote, but we will also give you a special edition gift to commemorate your joining the all the participants, including the generals. They will receive commemorative pin from Costa Rica. I'd like to also thank our sponsors today. Our sponsors are SM Supermalls, SM Cyberzone, Eagle Games, and Playground Magazine. Thank you to everybody for participating in Cosplay Checkmate. And I hope everybody had fun. And here we go. Everybody line up to receive your prizes.
Sayang. Sana kinalaban ko si Irving. Ha? Ayaw ko labanan ni Irving eh. Nandun ako, nakaupo lang ako. Kaya ko talunin si Irving in 4 moves.
Galit na galit eh.